Good morning, guys. So, here today we are with one more new topic, that is patent and its concept. So, patent is nothing but the contract between inventor and the society. That is nothing but, if you consider one example, that if a person is there who has invented something new, then the government will give him a right which will give him a ownership, and as well as it will avoid the people of the society from making, using, selling or offering to sell without permission of the patent holder. So this is all about the patent means what. So the patent will be given on three conditions. Okay, so the first condition is useful purpose. So useful purpose means what? If the invented thing, the machine, whatever it is, if it is useful, then only the patent will be given. Okay, so next, it's novelty. Novelty means what? It should not be already produced, it should be original one. So that is called as novelty. The patent is given to the machines or the devices or the applications which are new, which doesn't exist before. Okay, so those should be original one. Next, third condition is what? Non-obvious. Non-obvious means what? It should not be invented by others. Easily it should not get invented by others. So it should be one which is very new, and it should be useful, it should be novel, and it should be non-obvious. So these three conditions are very much important when the patent is given to the owner. Okay, so next. So patent will be available to what all the applications or devices you check out here. So the patent is available to all the business methods, computer softwares, computer hardwares, gaming, and we can say jewelry, machines, magic tricks, musical instruments, etc. And it is also not available to some of the inventions which are like mathematical formulas, surgical methods, scientific principles. The patent will not be given to these things. Okay, so when you are applying for the patent, what the process should be carried out, you have to check out that. So the first step for the patent application process is file preparation. So the file preparation is nothing but it includes the detailed information of your invention, its uses, its advantages, and what the formulas you have used, the specification you've used in your invention. So all that should be prepared as a file. So that is what the first step. Secondly, the file review should be there. File review means if the patent is given to your invention is not, has to be checked. So as I've said you, the Patent Act 1970 says that in Section 3 and Section 4 it has mentioned that the patent is available only for certain applications. It is not available for mathematical formulas, surgical methods, scientific principle, and some more. So it has to be reviewed first. Okay, that is the second step. Next, third is what? Draft application. Okay, so for the draft application we have to produce our file and we should go to Delhi. So there you'll get two applications. One application, so that is indicates if you have to fill that application if your patent or if the invention is complete. Okay, if your invention is completed, you can fill the form application 1. Okay, if the invention is still in process, if that is called as development stage, if your invention is incomplete, then you can fill the form application 2. Okay, so the application 2 is also called as what? Provisional application. So provisional application is provided up to 12 months. So you can proceed your invention up to 12 months. The time will be given to fill the application 1. Okay, so if your invention is complete, then you can directly apply for application 1, which should give complete specification of your invention. If your invention is complete, you are giving the complete specification of your application, and then immediately after 18 months your invention will be published. Okay, so this is what the next step. The last step for the patent application process is examination request. So examination request is nothing but there is one committee that will have some objectives on the invention what you are doing. So those objectives, those queries should be cleared by you. If it is all clear, then the patent certificate will be given. Finally, you will get the patent certificate after the 4 steps of patent process. So that certificate of your patent will be provided up to 20 years. That kind of patent is also called as utility patent. You will be having the patent of your invention up to 20 years. After that 20 years, it will go under public domain. Okay, so this is all about what? Patent and patent application process. So one more thing you have to learn over here is types of patents. So types of patent, under that utility patent. As we have discussed the utility patent now itself, that the utility patent is nothing but given to the inventions which are very new and useful processes and machines, some chemical compositions and some manufacturers. So those are called as utility patents. Okay, so these will last for 20 years. Next, one more kind of patent is industrial design patent. So this type of patent is given to inventor or contractor on the basis of his invention in the cases of features of shape of machines or configurations, a pattern, ornamentals, lines or colors applied to your articles. So depending upon that, the patent will be given. That patent is called as industrial design patent, and that has the term of 14 years. Okay, so I have discussed one more thing is that after 18 months you'll get the publish of your patent, or we can say you'll get the certificate of your patent. But if you want your invention has to be immediately published, then one more certificate comes that you have to fill, and if you fill that application, your device will be published within 1 month also. So in the next classes we'll study regarding copyright and trademark. Okay.